When you're creating a proposal for B2B clients, highlighting ROI is essential to make sure they can see the tangible benefits of working with you. If you want your proposals to stand out and get approved, you need to focus on presenting a clear, convincing ROI. Here's how to do it effectively in under 3 minutes. First, start by understanding what your client truly values. To highlight ROI, you need to know what metrics matter most to them, whether it's cost savings, increased revenue, or efficiency. Tailoring your proposal to reflect the client's goals will make your ROI numbers more compelling. You want to show that your solution directly impacts their bottom line in a positive way. Next, quantify the value your solution provides. Use clear, easy to understand numbers, whether that's in dollars, percentages, or time saved. For example, instead of saying, "We'll help you save money," say, "Our solution will save you $100,000 in the next 12 months. You want the ROI to feel real and measurable. Clients don't just want a general idea of benefits, they want specific, tangible figures they can compare. Break down the numbers in a way that's transparent and easy to follow. Don't just throw a large ROI number at them and hope it sticks. Walk them through the calculation step by step. For instance, if you're proposing a software implementation, you can break down the cost savings per department or over a set period. This helps the client visualize how the ROI unfolds over time, making it more convincing. Use case studies or examples from similar clients to reinforce your claims. If you've worked with companies in the same industry or with similar goals, show how your solution has delivered measurable results. Real-world examples make the proposal more credible and show that your solution isn't just a theory, it's a proven success. Now let's talk about the software you can use to make your ROI calculations and proposals even more effective. I've tested a lot of different tools, and the software we're using today helps make it easy to create clear, professional ROI projections in a fraction of the time. You can get an exclusive free trial of this software through the link in the description, available only for viewers of my channel. So make sure you check that out if you want to follow along and streamline your proposal process. A good proposal also means presenting ROI within a broader context. Show how it ties into the client's larger strategic goals. This might include boosting customer retention, improving operational efficiency, or hitting key growth targets. By aligning your solution's ROI with the client's overarching business objectives, you'll make your proposal even more compelling. Another great tip is to show a comparison between their current situation and the expected future state with your solution. This side-by-side comparison makes the ROI clearer because it shows the gap you're filling and the value you're adding. This can really highlight the cost of inaction and help the client feel urgency in moving forward. As we wrap up, here's your key takeaway. When highlighting ROI in proposals for B2B clients, always focus on clear, quantifiable benefits that align with what matters most to them. Tailor your numbers to their goals, break them down clearly, and back them up with solid examples. If you do this, you'll increase your chances of getting approval. And before you go, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial for the software we've been using. Check the description below. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your proposals.